In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Lovable website to host 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your site out of Lovable, package it neatly, and upload it to the hosting platform of your choice so it's live on the web. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Lovable. Click through to the official Lovable site. On the home page, choose Log In. When the sign-in options appear, select Continue with Email. Enter the email address you use for your Lovable account, then click Continue. Next, type your password and click Log In. If you see any prompts or confirmations, follow them so you land on your Lovable home dashboard. Once you're on the home page, scroll through your projects and open the one you want to export. Inside the project view, look for the GitHub icon. Click it to start the export process. Then click Connect GitHub. If you're already signed into GitHub in your browser, this goes faster. Otherwise, sign in on GitHub when prompted and authorize the connection so Lovable can create a repository for your project. When asked where to place the repository, choose the correct organization or your personal account, depending on where you manage your code. Confirm your choice, and if you see a Transfer Anyway button, click it to proceed. This confirms you're intentionally moving the project to the selected GitHub location. After the transfer completes, use the provided view link to open the newly created GitHub repository. In the repository, click the green code button. From the drop-down, choose Download Zip. Your project will download as a compressed file. Once it's finished, locate the zip in your Downloads folder and unzip it. You should now have a clean folder containing your site's files. Keep this folder organized. The index.html file should sit at the root of what you plan to upload. Now decide where you want to host your site. You can use a traditional web host, a control panel host, or a static hosting provider. The approach is the same. Upload the unzipped files to the web root or designated public folder. This is often called public HTML, www, or simply the site root. Use your host file manager or an SFTP client to transfer the files and wait for the upload to finish. Finally, open your live website link. Click around to confirm pages load, images display, and styles and scripts work. If something looks off, check file paths and ensure all assets were uploaded. Once everything loads cleanly, your Lovable site is successfully exported and hosted.